afternoon. Happy Wednesday. It's Equacia Smith Gooch from Civic, Nebraska at Lothrop Elementary. And we are doing more activities for our Civic U virtual learning. First, I want to check in with everybody from last session when we did some planting inside. Our bok choy that we put in the rock wool has grown, and it's been exactly a week today. So this can get put outside in the ground once we get our soil to start our gardens outside. Our sweet basil is coming up a little bit. It's starting to grow. The spinach that I probably need to hurry to take outside because, as you can see, it's crinkling up. So it's going to need some water, but it's growing. Our regular cucumber is growing a lot. The Chicago pickle cucumber just has one little strand, but it's growing. Our cilantro, there's nothing coming up with the cilantro, but I think that takes a little longer, but once we get it outside, it should go a little faster. So today I am going to make a power green, baby chard, baby spinach, baby kale salad. Since none of our products are ready, I'm just going to go ahead and do a nice salad, a big bowl, and it's going to be big because I'm going to eat this all week. So I have this, we have carrots. We do have carrots, but I wasn't ready to say that. We have crackers. Some people like crackers. Some people like croutons. I like them both. I like to add apples for some fruit. We have shredded cheese and mozzarella cheese, carrots. I also have some turkey and some ham because I like to put meat in mine. You don't have to. I also like a little nature seasoning. I like Dorothy Lynch, Italian, and ranch. And when I eat my salad, these two I mix together. So it's just your choice. So we're going to start. Cut up. Sink is behind me, so I'm going to wash my hands real quick here. This is romaine lettuce that I planted a long time ago. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on top of the salad today to get that done. For safety, just going to wear gloves because I'm going to be touching this stuff. Oh. Okay, so we're going to start with our power green salad. Greens are good for us. We digest them well. Power greens. Again, I love spinach because it's crunchier, less water. So you can throw that in there. If you want, you can break it up more if you like. More, but like I said, Victoria doesn't eat it, so it'll just be me, but I will eat this all week. Then I'm going to start with, I'm going to cut up some carrots. I should have pre-cut this stuff before, but I wanted to do it with you all. Just like cutting the carrots like in fours. This is how big they are, and I'm just cutting them in fours. I hope everyone is staying safe. Again, and continue to meditate, deep breathe, take advantage of the moments. You are in charge of your life regardless what is going on. Don't overwhelm yourself. Make sure you're doing a lot of self-care. Something I learned last week, I thought self-care was just something you did on your own. I learned from Miss Felicia Webster, no sir, no ma'am. Self-care is when you get help from others. You don't just always help others, you get the help you need as well. So that was very important to me last week, learning that I always help everyone else and don't never reach out to anyone else. Now I'm going to cut the cheese. I'm going to put this cheese and the shredded cheese in. People like different cheese. Some people don't like cheese. One thing I don't like when people put in their salad is when they cut onions up, because I don't like raw onions. But one of my friends one day, she made one and she didn't tell me, and I ate it, and they were real little and fine, and the salad was delicious. So I guess you can't knock something until you try it. So people put onions in it, but they have to be really fine for me to want to eat them. Cutting up the other piece of cheese. Thank you all for tuning in to our Civic U virtual hub. We love our families. We love the communities we serve. We cannot do this without you all. The cheese is done. Now I'm going to go to the meat. I have turkey meat and ham, and I'm going to do both. So I'm just going to take about 4 pieces out of there. I'm going to cut it up as well. And I am cutting on a glass plate. I don't like cutting boards because they hold a lot of the germs in there. Once you start cutting, those knives grooves get down in there, so you're really cutting over past germs. You can cut the meat however you want. I put it like a little piece of pie and just cut it up. And take it, just throw all your little pieces in. And I'll do the same with the turkey. A couple pieces, put them on the plate, cut them like a pie. We are waiting for Whispering Roots to come put the soil in the yard, and then they'll get the soil in the garden beds, and then we'll start going out there gardening and seeding, getting everything going for the community garden, for the local families, and even for the pantries as well. Okay. We got the good meat. All right. Meat is in. Okay. Next, I am going to rinse my knife off so I can cut the apple. I rinsed the apple already. I rinsed everything before. Cut it down the middle. Just cut it in. Ah! And I slice it. I keep the skin on. Victoria will eat this part of the salad. She will take all the apples out the inside and eat them. When she sees it, she'll be like, no, I don't want none. But then she'll see an apple. She'll reach in there and grab that apple. And I cut them kind of big. Just throw those in there. One more side. Those in there. Everything's getting in there. Okay. Now with the shredded cheese, I just try to do a little. It depends on you though, how you like cheese. My stomach isn't really good with cheese. I can only do a little bit. So a little cheese. Croutons. I don't do tomatoes that much on my salad because it seems like they get too wet. So like if I want a tomato, I would put it on there as I'm putting the salad on my plate. I don't put it in the bowl, but I normally don't do tomatoes. And then I have these crackers. If some people like crackers on the side, just eat crackers. Again, like I said, I like the nature seasoning. I will just give that a little sprinkle of that. Then I'm going to take my romaine lettuce out of its dirt. And we're going to top it off with that romaine lettuce on the top. And voila. Voila, like magic. There you have a salad. And again, you pick your dressings that you want. Vinaigrette ones are really good. I haven't bought any yet. It's hard to pick and choose because those be strong, that vinegar. But there you have your awesome salad. You can add all kind of different fruit to your salad. You do not have to add all this stuff to your salad. You can make however you want. Some people doesn't like fruit in it. You might not want the cheese. And you don't have to use all this different lettuce. You can go buy any type of lettuce in the store. But again, we're talking about healthy eating, so we want to press the issue of trying to, start your own gardening to be healthy, you and your family. But thank you again for joining me, and you all have a wonderful day.